as we're checking out here. It's 7:38 here at this hostel. We just had breakfast and we're going out to catch a taxi, and then we're taking bus south from here. We'll be stopping in Dana Reserve. Exciting day. Yesterday was crazy. Well, that's just how it goes sometimes when you're traveling. So let's get going. Classic scenery going on here. The Arabs arguing with themselves, and I'm catching a bus here on the South bus station here in Amman. They told me to leave my luggage here and wait for the bus to come over here. Wait 5 minutes. I don't know. A little bit skeptical about this, but hopefully the bus is gonna come soon. Arrived in Dana, a magical place in Jordan, and the hotel owner just drove me up here. The view behind me is crazy. I'll show you guys that later, but we're here. I'm gonna show you guys these goats here. There's a herd of them. So freaking hot here. We're in about 1,000-meter height, and getting here took what, 8 hours. I woke up 7 a.m. got a taxi to a bus station with my friends. They're in visiting a castle, but I decided to go straight here. I'll be waiting for them here in Dana. If you go to Jordan, you have to go to this canyon or this valley. It's such a magical place. And just seeing, you know, the guys on the donkeys gathering the goats or the sheep, it's a very surreal, you know, feels like in a movie or something.
We used a mixture of all sorts of things. Yeah. And we didn't get killed.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Let's do it. They're pretty fast.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah.
So it's 4 of us right now. We're staying at the same hostel. We're gonna go catch the sunset. We have to go a little bit up the mountain and go to some spring. We're gonna dip in there, catch the sunset, amazing view. And tomorrow it's gonna be an epic day to Wadi Guram, I think it's called. Cactus fruit. You guys wanna try it?
Yeah,
Sure. We got one? Nice.
I think this is one that's over, right?
Yep. How does it smell?
It's good.
It's good?
Try? Yeah, it's good. Very fresh.
Yeah.
It's hot, but...
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. What would you compare it to?
Kiwi.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a kiwi, but not so sour. Can I try? Is it ready to eat?
Yes.
It's a very strange one. It's a good one. Give them? Okay. Here you go.
Thanks.
The girls know, the boys don't.
Yeah. It's a good morning.
What is this fruit? I've never seen this before.
It's a pig.
Like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
We can eat this pig.
It's better than the cactus fruit.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Very impressive fruit, guys. Now we tried 2 of them that I've never tried before. Meeting the locals here. We're hiking up here to the hill. Try to find this pond. Maybe jump in it. And of course, catch the sunset. He's gonna ride a donkey. He's gonna ride. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta try.
He's laughing already.
All right, we nearly made it to the top, and we just met some local dudes there, And yeah, they don't speak much English, and we don't speak any Arabic. And down there is a small swimming pool. You can dip in, but it's not that special. I thought it was gonna be a natural one, so highly doubt we're gonna dip in. But here we're gonna catch the sunset. This view is just magnificent. Take a look. It's quite hazy, so you don't see that far. I guess that's how it is during the high season. I mean the summertime, the hot temperature. Here's the natural pool, the nature at its finest. So who's gonna dip in? Not you? Cooling down here, that's how you do it. Nice. What's your name? Iham.
Together